We will take action and we have already detained the organizer. This is it. Right now all of us should calm the tempers. We will see that the fans, that's our expectation, that the fans should be adequately compensated. Today what has happened in the morning at Salt Lake Stadium, there was some kind of anger or anxiety in the fans saying that he's not playing. The plan was that he will come here, wave and meet certain people and leave. Now the government has already constituted a committee which will look into all the aspects of if there was a mismanagement from the organizer side or anything else. This will be looked into. Second, to the fans, we have already told the organizer, we will persuade him. He is giving in writing to the whomsoever concerned that the tickets which have been sold, they should be refunded, because there was not much of this thing was done. Now the situation is right now under control, and I would urge all the fans. Calcutta is an emotional place. A lot of fans must have felt that they would be able to see Messi playing. They couldn't see that. The program was a little too short and this thing. So we would right now what we expect is that the organizers will come through as far as that return of ticket is concerned. They're giving in writing, but we'll make sure that they return, otherwise legal action will be taken. The mismanagement we have seen from the organizer side, their team, security team, their press team running around. This is, we will take action, and we have already detained the organizer. So this is it. Right now all of us should calm the tempers. As I'm saying, please. I am not taking questions. The other details, please listen to it. We have already detained the main organizer. We are taking action so that this mismanagement does not go unpunished. And we will see that the fans, that's our expectation, that the fans should be adequately compensated. That is for, please, this is not for, I will let more details, if any is required or anything, if I have missed. I think ADG Law and Order and CP Vidhan Nagar will.
बहुत घटिया था वो बोल दिखाया था बुके में पहले से शूटा होगा, कुछ भी नहीं था, पूरा शिट था, बहुत घटिया, बहुत खराब, कुछ भी नहीं देख पाया, पूरा स्कैम था, पूरा स्कैम,
एकदम घटिया इवेंट। 10 मिनट के लिए आया, सारे नेता मंत्री कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसर सब उनको घेर लिए, कुछ नहीं देख पाए, ना एक किक आउट करवाया, ना एक पेनल्टी लिया, कुछ नहीं किया। शाहरुख खान को भी लाना का बोला था, कुछ नहीं लाया, 10 मिनट के लिए आया, चला गया।
घटिया था वो बोल दिखाया था बुके में पहले से शूटा होगा, कुछ भी नहीं था, पूरा शिट था, बहुत घटिया, बहुत खराब, बहुत कुछ भी नहीं देख पाया, पूरा स्कैम था, पूरा स्कैम, पूरा वेस्ट टाइम का वेस्ट था, पूरा मनी भी वेस्ट था, पूरा सब कुछ वेस्ट।
बोला था कुछ नहीं लाया, 10 मिनट के लिए आया, चला गया। पूरा फ्रॉड करके चला गया। इतना लोगों का पैसा, इमोशन, टाइम सब बर्बाद। कुछ नहीं देख पाए, कुछ नहीं देख
सपोर्ट ही
पाए।
नहीं किया जा रहा है मेसी को, क्योंकि इतना भीड़ है उसके आसपास में। हम लोग सोचे थे कि एक बार बॉल टच करेगा या फिर कुछ फ्री किक भी होगा या फिर पेनल्टी भी शूट आउट होगा दोनों तरफ। कुछ नहीं, बस आया, देखा और चला गया। हम लोग स्पॉट ही नहीं कर पाए सही से। 10 मिनट भी नहीं था सही से। बाहर सब लोग देख रहे हैं, मतलब हम अंदर से हम लोग कुछ नहीं देख पा रहे। ये एक फ्रॉड के अलावा और कुछ नहीं कह सकते हम लोग। शौनक मित्रा।
शोभिक चक्रवर्ती।